welcome back to another Adventure 6 video. Here we are getting ready to head out for our third and final ride of the day. This is footage from back in March, I believe March 8th. Finally got a little bit of time to sit down and do some editing to finish this. Owen is out front leading the ride again today. I'll be doing most of the recording until later on when we're doing some hill climbs. Owen will take over and he does a little bit of recording because he does most of the hill climbs while I sit and watch. So here we are making our way through the pine trees right below the clubhouse. Soon we'll drop down over the hill and make our way towards the creek. There's this one little hill climb Owen likes to try. Let's see if he makes it.
Alright, Owen's up front, and we got Bentley, Steve, myself. Move down a little bit. All right. Oh.
So Owen didn't make it up the hill climb this time. Usually he does. Later in the day he does go up it. Unfortunately, battery died. I don't have footage of it. So here I am crossing the creek. And as you can tell, you can't see. It makes it tricky trying to get across without getting your feet wet.
There's so much glare in that creek. Yeah, I couldn't tell what was in the creek. That creek, the sun's shining on it and there's so much glare.
So up here to the left, there's a little trail called Pine Tree, the infamous Pine Tree Trail. I can remember going up this years ago as a kid. One day you can go up easy peasy, no problem, and then the next time struggle for half an hour trying to get up it. Well, let's see how we all do. Where the hell are you going?
That's easy though.
So it took a little while for everyone to get up that little trail there. But once everybody made it up, we regrouped. And then we headed towards another obstacle.
Yeah, but it's not worth it if we can't go anywhere.
Down through a block or a
All right. So here we are at the top field, getting ready to enter the woods.
This trail here is probably one of the funnest trails that we have up at WESTCO. Really challenging trying to squeeze through the rocks.
Oh.
But I bet I'm like,
Yeah, I don't ever remember being on this.
I've never been down.
Have you?
No.
Alright.
I was like, say that.
I think we can do that.
Well, that concluded our trip through the rocks. It would be a little easier if my legs were a little longer. I could barely touch. I had to lean up against a couple of the rocks a few times. So here's a quick little interesting fact. The road that I'm on right now used to be an old township road back in the old days. Now it just looks like a creek. But it really was a drivable road.
Is that a trail that goes up that hill?
I don't know. Down that way. Alright, this is always a fun trail. See if everybody can squeeze through these trees down here. Hopefully hopefully no logging interfered with it. You can see all the logging over there. Shoulder's about done. Feel it down into my bicep. It's definitely weak.
So here's where Owen takes over recording. So for the last 10 minutes we'll be doing some hill climbing. Well, at least the boys will be.
Dude, he made it look easy. Oh.
I think I got that second. gas down. Tight together.
Right when he gassed out, that's where I would have moved.
Yeah, I can get across that. The whole way up.
You sit down the whole thing.
Yeah, I just did it sitting down. Try going this far right side next time.
Oh, it's even harder.
No, it's not. I'll do it, sitting down.
How you got here?
No.
That's probably how you got here.
Yeah. Probably the exact same thing he did. Yeah, that front brake don't sound good. Oh. Listen to my brake.
Huh? Yeah, it's not good.
The more we ride it, the worse.
And that's loose. I did the exact same thing you did, basically.
You're much better off doing this when you get more traction.
Yeah, I'm making up this one real easily. You wanna go first?
So here we start the final hill climb of the
You
day.
wanna go first? I can get it on here.
Somehow I make it up, but up towards the top, the bike kicks me clear to the left. Just luckily I make it up.
What the?
So we continued the ride for about another hour, and unfortunately the battery died on us. So that's going to end our video for today. Appreciate everybody tuning in and watching our videos. And like always, keep the tires dirty.
How'd you make it over that so easily? How'd you make it over that so easily?